Okay, Get Out. Get Out.
Get Out. What a great movie. Did you see that movie? Wow. If you haven't seen it, no spoiler alert, but Get Out, you got to see it. It's a must.
Get out on the water this Labor Day weekend.
Oh, why did you make that awkward pause? Heather Lake is live in Point Loma at a new club that gives you the chance to captain a boat without owning one. That's the best of both worlds right there, Heather.
Exactly. So no cleaning, no maintenance. You just get to be part of the club. Of course, there's a membership, right? So I'll tell you all about that. But first, I want to show you the fleet. So here we go. Carefree Boat Club. You're going to meet the guys behind this operation, and we're going to show you basically the slip that has all of their boats right now. They have 24 members so far. They just started in December. We're out here at the Point Loma Marina to give you a look. Comes with all these toys too, Carlos. Tell me more about this. How do I become part of the club?
Well, you just have to give us a call, come out for a tour, and we'll show you the club just like we're doing right now. We've got toys for our members, some paddle boards, some tubes. We've got a full fleet of boats. We've got pontoons, bow riders, anything you'd like. And all you got to do is call us. Come out for a...
Don't step back too far. There's water behind you.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. These shoes are floaty shoes. They're special boat club shoes.
Just float away on me. Okay, so this is pretty neat because I know that boating is not a cheap thing. Like, what would you say expense-wise if you're a boat owner of one of these boats, which is not necessarily a modest-sized boat? These are great boats. Did you say $30,000 a year on maintenance, et cetera, et cetera?
That's easy. I mean, just to park a boat here might cost you $1,000 a month, and that's without thinking about what the boat payment is going to be, or insuring the boat, or any maintenance you have to do. So each one of these boats might cost you $500 to $1,000 in maintenance a month.
Okay. And then for the membership, if I want to become part of this club, it's close to that, but not quite.
Oh, not yet, not even close. Actually, probably the cost of a small boat gives you access to our entire club for 5 years.
Okay.
And you're done, no maintenance.
How much a month though for the Carefree Boat Club?
It's $500 a month for our Carefree Boat Club membership right now.
A lot of a gym membership is going to go to right here. Instead of doing your workouts, maybe you put it in your boat and you work out on the water.
Water sports, yeah. You can get a 400 horsepower, 250 horsepower pulling you. That's a lot of weight on your back. You know, that gives you some nice rowing potential.
80-pound bluefin tuna. That's quite a workout.
So you can teach people how to be a captain. You're the captain, Peter. You're going to teach people how to drive these boats safely, maybe how to do some fishing excursions, and you'll do all of that. If you want to check out more of this, basically to Labor Day, you're bringing people out and showing them the whole dock and everything.
Labor Day, you guys can come down for a free tour. We'll show you the fleet. We'll take you out on a little cruise, and we'll leave the fishing for when you become a member.
Okay, let's get on the boat. Let's take her out. Let's see. I like this one. We picked this. Is this is not a small boat? What kind of boat is this?
Crown Line Cruiser.
Ooh,
this is
careful.
a 24-footer. It's got a wakeboard tower. It's got a slalom ski pole, so you can do a lot of water sports. It's got a little table here for a picnic. The nice thing is it's got a full bathroom and a sink in it.
Oh, so we could take this out for a full day?
Absolutely.
It's a little bit better than your average camping trip, you know?
That's real granite right there.
Did you say that's real granite?
That's absolutely real granite countertops.
I like the fact that you guys are going to clean the boat, you're going to maintain the boat. We just come out and we rent the boat. So we're going to go out. Okay, one thing that everyone had a question about too is the safety aspect of it. And we can go ahead and get going as soon as you guys are ready. But you're going to teach people how to captain the boat as well. That's part of it?
That is part of it. We ask people to take their boater card. It is state law now to get it, and I do the water training with them, on the water training. So until the new member feels safe on operating all of our boats, once they do that, they can start making reservations and go out on their own.
And then this also works for cities all over the country.
Yes, we've got about 80 locations nationwide. We have a couple in Canada, British Virgin Islands, and almost every state. So.
Okay.
Yeah, you have access to all of those clubs as well.
I'm an honorary member of the club this morning, so I just get to hang out on the boat. This is the perks of the job, right? Let's go out, have a good time, play out on the water. We'll tell you more about the Carefree Boat Club. Do you guys have any questions? Are you a little curious? Do you want to know how you can hang out for the day on one of these? I don't want to ever learn how to drive. I want a driver.
Oh, yeah? I drove
Fair
a
enough.
pontoon boat a couple weeks ago.
Fair
That
enough.
was me on a lake with
Pontoon.
Really?
pontoon boat. Yes, I did.
Right there. They have one right there.
There you have it. I didn't. I tried to park it, but I said no. I don't want to park it.
Anybody that I know who owns a boat always says, like, it's great to know somebody who owns a boat,
With
but
a
not
boat.
to own a boat, because it's a lot of work. It's
Exactly.
really a lot of work to
Very
maintain a boat.
expensive. It's pricey.
Very pricey.
Yeah.
Very, very pricey. You look good on it, Heather.
Heather, thank you. Go for a stroll. I mean, relax. I mean, that's as good as it gets right
Yeah,
there.
right?
Man. Enjoy. Thank you, Heather.